Here's another one. Pause the video before we go over it. All right, here we go. This is a prokaryote versus eukaryote. This is our favorite Venn diagram. Let's do it. Do this with me. Better yet, pause the video. Do it before I do it. All right. Prokaryotes on your keystones, they're always going to be just your bacteria and everything else you can throw on the other side. That includes your animals, plants, and your fungi, protists, and anything else that's not a bacteria. All right, let's take care of this middle piece here. What do they have in common? Well, all cells need a cell membrane. Also known as a plasma membrane. All right, they also have a cytoplasm. That's the inside of the cell. You wouldn't have a cell without that, or the outside, which is the cell membrane. Uh, all cells need to make proteins, so they need DNA that has information to make proteins, and then proteins are made on ribosomes. So all cells have those four things. Right, let's take a look at the differences. Prokaryotes are smaller, and eukaryotes are larger, about 10 to 100 times larger, depending on what kind of cell it is. The two most important things to know are that prokaryotes do not have any membrane-bound organelles. They don't have Golgi, ERs, they don't have vacuoles, they don't have vesicles, they don't have mitochondria, they don't have chloroplasts, they don't have any of that. Eukaryotes have membrane-bound organelles, like the mitochondria, Golgi, and all that stuff. The second very important thing to know is that the DNA is found in different places. In the eukaryotic cells, DNA is found in a well-defined region called or an area called a nucleus, which is membrane bound in. Whereas the DNA in prokaryotes are just found in the cytoplasm in just a region, not a well-defined membrane. In the nucleoid region, which is just in the cytoplasm. Okay, let's take a look. Question is asking, what do they have in common? Both. Both. So we're looking for the answers here. All right, let's go through the choices. Cell wall. No. Bacteria have cell wall. Plants have cell wall. But not all living things have cell walls. Animals do not have cell walls. So that is not correct. All right, and also the prokaryotic cells, they don't have a nucleus. All right, same reason, cell wall. Chloroplast, animals don't have chloroplast. Bacteria don't have chloroplast. They're all membrane-bound organelles, so, or chloroplast is a membrane-bound organelle. All right, all things do have a cell membrane, well, or plasma membrane. That's good. Nope, nucleus is only found in eukaryotic cells. Don't forget that. All right, so this is wrong. Answer is D. All cells, eukaryotic or prokaryotic, have a cell membrane and a cytoplasm. All right, so just to quickly show you what these kind of cells generally look like. Now, this is not drawn to size because bacteria are much, much smaller. So these are your eukaryotic cells, your most typical ones on your keystones. They have, notice all the organelles in there. Okay, none of that is found in the prokaryotic cell.